In this video, we're going to show you how to make the best roasted vegetables ever. And we're going to start right now. Welcome back, YouTube gardeners. My name is Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. If this is your first time to this channel and you're timid about gardening and would like to learn about different DIY projects that you can use for your gardening, or even would like to learn about some of the recipes that we have here from the vegetables from our urban backyard gardening, then start right now, making sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that way you can get notified when we upload our videos weekly. Now, after watching this video, you're going to learn about how we roast our vegetables. So, we posted some pictures on our social media page and we got a lot of good feedback from it. So we're going to show you the ways and the steps that we go about roasting our vegetables so that way you can do the same thing. What we did, some of this is different and some of this is same. We basically take some carrots and some parsnips, get an onion, some potatoes, garlic, and this is our first time using these watermelon radishes, so we're going to add these into our rooted vegetables. This is optional. If you want to put a jalapeno pepper or any type of pepper in there, we like our food spicy. If you don't like it spicy, all you have to do is take the membrane of your pepper and your seeds out, and you'll still get the same flavor. We're going to also include more spices by adding red pepper flakes, some pepper, some kosher salt, some balsamic vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, and of course my favorite, the Goya seasoning. So what you want to do is preheat your oven at 400 degrees, what we're already doing right there. And then we're going to start chopping our rooted vegetables. As you can see, we have the vegetables all mixed up. Now we're going to start adding the seasonings. Now that we have all the seasons in there, we have the salt, the pepper, red pepper flakes, the extra virgin olive oil, and the Goya seasonings. Now all we have to do is just mix it. You can use your hand if you want. And then once we get it all coated in, we're going to put it in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes, we're going to toss it again and put it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. And then towards the last 15 minutes, we're going to add the garlic in there to let that start to get roasted. And then when we're taking it out, we're going to add the herbs that we have, the rosemary herbs, thyme, oregano, and parsley. That's optional. If you don't have fresh herbs like that, you can just use just a regular dry seasoning. So let me just wipe my hands off, and we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, now we got that in the oven. What's next is we need to prepare our herbs. We got parsley, a mixture of rosemary, oregano, and thyme. So we go from here. All right, so the 15 minutes have passed, and so we've taken it out the oven. Now all we have to do is just mix these up, and then we'll put them back into the oven again for another 15 minutes. Now, after we've taken them out again, that's when we're going to add the garlic and put that in there for the remainder of the 15 minutes. And then once we take it out, we'll add the herbs, the balsamic vinegar, and douse it off some extra virgin olive oil. So we'll just do that. And into the oven we go. All right, we got the spinach from our garden all chopped up. So now the next step, this is optional if you want to do this. Last time I used this and posted on our social media, we used the Untitled kale, which is a dinosaur, also called a dinosaur kale. We're trying to use spinach right now, so you could use whatever type of greens, or you could just opt out. So all you need is some butter. This is vegan butter by Earth Balance. Get that nice going. Once that butter gets good, I'm going to add a little bit extra virgin olive oil in there just to give it some extra love. Then we're going to take the spinach. Now, you're going to need a lot of spinach because once this wilts down, it's going to be hardly nothing. That's the only thing I really don't like about spinach. You'll get like a bundleful of these, and then all of a sudden you wilt down to be just a handful. So now that these are getting some heat to it, we're going to add some kosher salt, because your food never comes seasoned, so you need to add it. Some freshly ground pepper, some red pepper flakes, because we love some heat. And then we're going to do a little bit of extra zest of lemon. So we're going to get that all nice and good. As you can see, it's getting kind of wilted down. Now we're going to add the garlic we sliced up. Put that in there. Do this for about 3 minutes, or till when it gets nice and wilted, or to a texture that you're okay with. I would go with 3 minutes. You could go with longer if need be. And look at that. You see all that. It's a darn shame. You put all of that spinach in there, and now look. Alright, now we're going to take this off the heat and let that just simmer for a little bit. We'll put it on low, let that simmer for a little bit, and check on our rooted vegetables. Okay, now we're going to mix these up. The last for the 15 minutes, we're going to add the garlic, and we're going to mince these up just a little bit. I love garlic, so always add garlic to my dishes. Nice big chunks. We'll mix that in there. Oh man, I wish I could smell this. And what we would do, we're gonna add this back in here for the last 15 minutes. All right, we're taking this out the oven, and what you want to do is give it the last little mix. Add your herbs and spices. Give this a nice little coating. Oh man, that smells good. Then you want to add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Oh, now that smells real good. I was drooling a little bit right there. Oh man. And like I said, this is optional. You can add some sriracha oil or any type of oil that you want, truffle oil, regular oil. But we like to kick it up a notch. Look at this. Even Sage got hungry just smelling this deliciousness right here. So I'm going to take a little samples. I know, right? Guess Sage gave it 2 thumbs up. So now, we're going to plate it. If this wasn't good the first time, it's definitely good the second time. So we got that. Then you want to add your spinach or your kale, whatever type of green. And once again, this is optional. And we're going to give this a little taste. Now, hopefully this is as good as the first time. Let's see. We're going to take a little bit of this spinach, get some of this kale. Woo! That spice from that oil. Here we go. Let's see. Ready? Man, that is a dish on its own. You got to try this. Oh man. That's so good. You got the flavor of the oil, the herbs, the oil. Oh man, that's good. So, if that seemed easy to y'all, comment down below with "Let's grow together." If you have any family, friends, or relatives that are interested in learning how to roast root vegetables or any other type of vegetables, make sure you share this video with them. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. So that way you get notified when we upload our videos weekly. And as always, Let's grow together.